Should I do a cape or no? This is Anthony here with Victory Crown. Today we're going to be styling a side part, or also known more commonly as a comb over. We're going to do today, with this style, we're going to do the matte clay, so we're going to give kind of a natural look. I did add some texture into his hair to help the hair move a little bit more independently. So first what we're going to do is we're going to blow dry his hair completely dry. I'm going to take my Gamma XL, and I want you to watch kind of how I'm directing this. I'm going to blow dry it in the direction that I want the hair to lay. Obviously this is going to come back a little bit, this is going to go over, and this is going to come up. I'm working with high heat and high volume. He's got a little bit of curl in his hair here, so I want to straighten that out. Heat and tension will actually straighten the hair. Ow! Now that I have his hair completely dry, I actually want to hit it with the cold shot on the hair dryer. What happens when you hit hair with a cold shot is it actually locks the follicle back down and will help the product keep it in place. This fucking fly. Just giant sacks of shit. So now that I have his hair completely dry, I actually want to hit it with a cold shot on the hair dryer. This little button here, the reason we have that is once cold air will actually help lock the follicle back down. Heat opens it up, cold air locks it back down, and will actually help the product hold in place. Just want to take a real little bit here, emulsify it in my hands. What I'm doing when I'm working it through my palms like this is I'm removing some of the moisture in the hair so it gives it a little bit more of a grit to it. Just want to work this through, start working in my part now with the product. Really want to get this completely coating the hair. Now I just want to take my flat top comb, part it out here a little bit better, a little bit more clean. I'll get it, I'll find it. Everybody watching this video is like, get it, motherfucker.
The part of Come on, Daniel, son.
Almost got it. I gotta throw this away. So I did the same blow drying techniques as I did with the matte, a little bit over here in the back, a little bit down here on the part, a little bit up in the front. This product that I'm gonna use is my texture spray. This is a super, super easy to use product. I actually really, really like this for like just running errands, or like when it's really warm outside and I wanna be able to run my hands through my hair and I know my hair's gonna get a little sweaty, a little damp. I use this because it'll actually absorb some of the moisture for you. So I'm just gonna give it a little shake here. I'm gonna make sure it's open. And I'm gonna lift the hair up just a little bit. See how it really brings the texture out in his hair because of that loose, flowy look to it. The perfectly lived in haircut. And that's how to style with the texture spray.
Will this give me more friends?
Yeah, buddy. Yeah, it will. Victory Crown builds friends. And that's how you style with the clay and the spray and kill flies.
Even the flies